Your Excellency, Mr. Governor, Deputy Governor, all protocols duly observed. It is now my pleasure to commission the Rumuola Flyover to the service of our people, their joy and prosperity. And I do this in the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of the Holy Spirit. Executed by the administration of His Excellency Ezenwe Wike, CON, GSSRS, Governor of Rivers State. Commissioned today by me, Olusegun Mimiko, former Governor of Ondo State, on this 9th day of December 2021, to the glory of God Almighty. Amen.
Our special guest of honor on behalf of the government and people of Rivers State, we sincerely appreciate and welcome you to Port Harcourt. And let us also thank you for accepting to be with us here today, the 9th of December 2021, to commission this Rumuola Flyover. We sincerely thank you for abandoning all you have to do in Akure and be here with us today. The Commissioner of Works has given a description of this Rumuola Flyover. But one thing I want to say, you know that one problem we have is people being patient. I'm aware when we awarded this contract, sometimes July last year, we did not just award only one of these. There are so many complaints. There was no abuse we did not get. From radios, how can you award flyovers? Look at the traffic jam. People are suffering. What kind of government is this? And I said, look, for you to be successful in life, you must pass through some problems. For you to achieve development, there are things as citizens you must also contribute. Part of the contribution is for you to have a temporary hardship. And today, all those hardships are over. People now are talking about, see people are dancing, happy, but these are probably the same people who were abusing us when the construction was going on. I want to put it on record that apart from the 10th flyover that we have not agreed with Julius Berger because of the bill, all the other 9 flyovers were awarded, all those that were awarded in 2019 when we came for the second time, Rebisi Flyover, Okorodo Flyover, and Rumuola Flyover, all have been completed and commissioned. The other 6 flyovers, this Rumuola Flyover, GRA Flyover that will be commissioned on Saturday, Rumukalabo or Worko Flyover where people say water lines, and the Arabale flyover, all were awarded last year, July, August. And to the glory of God, this Rumuola one, the GRA one, have been completed in August. So we are going to commission GRA on Saturday. Commission this one, we are commissioning this one now. About the flyover will be commissioned first week of January. By March, we are commissioning Rumuola flyovers. The one of Mbolu flyover and Rumuola flyover were awarded this year. And to the glory of God, by May next year, all those 2 flyovers will be commissioned. So if you take 9 flyovers in 2 years, in 9 flyovers in 2 years, so it is to tell you the commitment we have. Governance is all about the people. Governance is all about making promises and fulfilling the promises. And for us, we continue to do those things that make our people happy. We continue to do those things that move our state from where we are to the next positive level. And that is why when APC, they were talking in this state, I told our people, do not reply them. Our reply to them is seeing is believing. Today, I challenge APC in this state to challenge the government of PDP in this state, whether we have done well or whether we have not done well. I give them. Let them be the ones. And they know they have nothing to say about this. Let us tell ourselves the truth. This government has done well. This PDP has done well. So, and I tell them, who is your contractor? Name your contractor. We know who you are. Our contractor is Julius Berger. We are competing with federal government. Federal government is using Julius Berger. Ask them how much it is to pay Julius Berger. Ask them. For one company to do 9 flyovers, not just 9 flyovers, with other roads. With other roads. Is it Ahuda? Is it Emowa? Where? So, people should know. And none of these flyovers cost us less than 7 billion naira. Now calculate, at just at average, 7 billion into 9 is how much? Calculate. Calculate it. And then you are talking about those of you, that's why you always fail mathematics, ordinary arithmetic, you can't even calculate. You know, now calculate the other roads done by Julius Berger and the quality they give. I'm happy, I'm proud to associate myself with a company that gives the best as far as construction is concerned. I'm very happy. And so I'm proud. I can move about in this state, in this country, to say the contractor that who did contracts in my state is Julius Berger. Let anybody, let the FCC, let anybody come and probe whether these contracts are real or not. Rivers people are seeing it. Where is your money? I can say, go to Rumuola Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, go to GRA Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, go to Avali Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, go to Rebisi Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, go to Rumuola Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, go to Rumuola Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, Rumuola Flyover. Where is your money? I can say, where do you want to go Flyover? Let them come and tell me where they kept the money of River State before.
Take your problems to Wike and leave it there. He will surely deliver you when you put your trust in Him. Take your problems to Wike and leave it there.
So it is very clear that governance is not a magic. It is all about commitment. It's all about your love for your people and your country. This country has enormous resources to change the lives of our people. Nobody should give excuses. Nobody should give excuses. Like we always say, if you don't have it, you don't have it. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare. So all these stories, we borrow money from here, we borrow money from here. Let us see what the money is being used for. If we borrow money, we are showing Rivers people what we use that money to do. That is the essence of the whole thing. By Saturday, we will be there. By Monday, we'll commission a Zimbu Road. By Tuesday, we'll commission Tombi Extension. By Thursday, we'll commission a safe home. By Friday, we are moving to Eche. By Saturday, we'll be no Igbo. Every promise we have made, we must keep to it. Every promise we have made, we must keep to it. So I thank all of you. I thank all of you. And that is why I've always told everybody, continue to pray for us so that our successor will do better than us. So we'll have somebody who will not disappoint the people of the state. So we'll have somebody who will not be too selfish to understand that the interest of Rivers people is more than any other personal interest. So we require everybody's prayer. I hear some people who have been going to native doctor to change my mind. I hear some people have gone to prophet to change my mind. My mind cannot be changed. My mind is where it is. And where it is for the good of the people of Rivers State. I will not compromise that. I will not. And that is why anybody who wants to govern Rivers State must check himself, ask yourself a question. Am I prepared for this? Not just to be governor, to have serene, no. Am I prepared? Because you must make sacrifice. Am I prepared to face the challenges that will come? Am I prepared to stand? If the PDP does not form government, God will not allow it at the federal level. Am I prepared to face them when they come? Because they will come. Am I prepared? So you must take your conscience that this thing I want to offer myself to the people of the state. Look left, look right. Ask yourself, am I prepared for this battle? Am I prepared for this war? It is important. You can be governor, yes, but you may not be governor. You can be governor, but you may not be governor. Yes, a governor is one that is sworn in. I agree. Having this one sworn in, how far? Do you not behave as a governor? That you expected to do things for your people? That's what you say. You may be a governor by being sworn in, but you may not be the governor. I'm a governor, and I'm the governor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hear you, sir.
So, everybody, look at how beautiful. I will say, show our color, blue, white, blue. Anybody coming to Rivers State will know this is the color of Rivers State. And I've directed any road anywhere must be painted blue, white, blue.
We can make them mama agana. We can make them mama agana. We can make them mama agana.
And let me warn those who steal the cover of the manhood. Let me just tell you, your days are numbered. You know, when you take action, people bring ethnic consideration. Those of them who are stealing the cover of the manhood, make sure, and I can tell you, if you like come from anywhere, you're almost gone. I can tell you now, from this night, you are gone. Try it again, steal our manhood, nobody steals you again. If anybody wants to sabotage us, we'll tell you how saboteurs are treated. We cannot do this road construction and you come to sabotage us by stealing, to disappoint us, to make people to have accident and say, look at the road. No, we will not agree. If you touch me, I touch you back. Did you understand me? Come and steal it again. Come and see, you know where you're heading to. Enough is, if you have stolen before, God forgive you. But from today, don't attempt it again. Don't attempt it again. Because I will face you squarely. So that's how it is. Because it's like we understand the language. If you do me, I do you. See that? It's not a language. My mother used to tell me that when a madman flogs you, don't run, no. Because the madman does not know how painful it is. As the madman flogs you, take the stick back, flag him back. You will not see the pain. And the madman will start running. Yes. Come again. I will teach you how they treat criminals. The next time you will not try it. Whether you are from anywhere, whether you have anybody anywhere, it's not my business. It's not my, so leave the state alone. Don't make problem. If you are from River State, you are part of them. Obviously, you are not a Rivers person. You are the enemy to this state. You can't be a Rivers man and see after your government spent your money to do this and somebody wants to give you a bad name and you allow it. All the flyovers are in federal government roads. All the flyovers are federal government roads. If I were federal government, they should have called me. Governor, how much did you do this? Take back the money and let them come and take glory they did the road. I will agree. Give me back. Let them say that it was at least so that they can say, see what we did for River State. Do you understand me? Because all these are federal roads. Rumuola, a federal road. Okoronoro, federal road. Rebisi, federal road. Abali, federal road. The one we want to do in Rumuola, federal road. Everything federal. Everything federal. GRA, federal road. Which one do we have from them? Let them give me back the money and take and say they did the road. It's okay for us. We're here to help, to partner. That is the way it's supposed to be. Under normal circumstances, where things work well, where government is not being politicized, the federal government should partner with the states, put their heads together, and then say, federal government is okay, and now you have done this, can we pay back? That's how things are done. Not because you don't like my face. I did not contest election for you to like my face. I contested election to do good thing for the people of the state. Forget my face and let us do good for the people of the state. That is what governance is all about. But here, because we are not kneeling down every day, because we are not flying to greet them, so they say nothing. Even if you say nothing, there will be something for our people. We are here not to abandon our people. And I challenge them. Let them also showcase what they are doing. Some people are angry. Why are we showcasing? If you have, won't you showcase? If you have, won't you showcase? Now we have. We want to tell you we have. And come and see it. So, special guest of honor, I thank you most sincerely. Thank Julius Berger for the quality job they are doing, even though they are very, very expensive. But like people say too, good soup, na money, kila. You know. But people should also tamper just a message. Let us know. It's not easy. I know what we're passing through. To pay Julius Berger is not an easy thing. So having stayed with all this way, reduce the amount so that we can survive it. You know. MD, now you are here, give overall approval to your colleagues. Tell them that okay, they should come down a bit so that I don't die for wanting good thing. One has to be alive now before you enjoy the good thing.